Hi, welcome to Psychic Healing by Swabhi, and here I am sharing the predictions for 2025 for the zodiac sign Leo. So for Leo, the universe actually showed me Six of Cups, Death card, which is number 13, and the Magician, which is number 1. So a lot of love, hope, opportunities, strength, and new beginnings for you Leos. However, let's decode this message in detail for you. So number 1, you will be having hope alive and working with your inner self clearly, with inner forgiveness and spending quality time with your loved ones, specifically with your child or vice versa. It's number of receiving love, hope, opportunities in life, full of positivity, and you're going in the right direction. Number 2, transformation. Sun is coming out for you, so you're going to be moving from one space to another. That will serve you beautifully. Positive source of indication that you're emerging better. So 13 is the number of Death card, and it's a very positive number. It's 1 stands for new beginnings and new starts in your life. 3 is a lot of strength, and it is taking you to a lot of stability in your life. So you're going in an incredible positive direction for sure. Number 3, new beginnings is there on the cards, as I said, which will bring you stability in terms of emotions, finances, and mental peace. The journey you have been through was not easy. It was tough. However, the universe says that you have what it takes. So continue to work in the same direction and you shall be reaping the results now. Now, what does the Akashic reading or tarot tells you? Akashic says it's time for great calm. So enjoy the peaceful energy now. It also signifies a time of power, perfect for reinforcing your foundation in your work, in your family, in your spirit, and the depth of your belief in yourself. Just like the willow, you have a peaceful strength drawn from the waters of your soul and extending through all eternity. Stand confidently in your truth. Take the actions that support the growth of the things that are wonderful in your life, and know that you are powerful. It might also be possible that there is a man present in your life already. You will be, or if not, you will be meeting him soon. He may be an author, teacher, or communicator who will assist you in some professional way. He could also be a friend who brings wisdom through his studies and spiritual practices. Be open to the guidance this man offers, for it could help you lead your life in new exciting directions. This man could be your love interest as well. It may also represent you or someone you know who's longing for deeper understanding and a greater clarity of thought. 2025 is a great time to pursue new interest, perhaps even enroll in some new classes or attend a lecture or a position in teaching, counseling, advertising, writing, publishing, or the other maybe on your agenda now. A treasure trove of discovery is waiting for you, so let your mind and your life soar in 2025.